lap. I do all the time with new tires. So. Well, the test was quite good. We make a big improvement between the first day and the last day. Quite happy with the adjustments we did and all the information we had for the engineers during these 2 weeks till the next test, and looking forward.
Today, I think we make a really good job all the days. We improve so much. We go step by step, but always improving. So I think we are quite happy. At the end, we need to improve the grip and then the engine, because if we improve there, we can be strong, and for sure, if we work, we can make really good things.
Suzuki, way of life.